Good evening. Welcome to the daily market analysis by sectors for August 22nd, 2012 by howtotradesafely.com. Please note that this analysis is done for informational purposes only. Today, what happened was that the market started dropping in the morning. The US existing homes news data which came out, which was better than expected, was not enough to stop the drop. However, when the FOMC meeting came out, it was realized that at the last meeting, the FOMC had actually seriously discussed the implementation of QE3, quantitative easing 3. This caused the markets to go up, but they ended up essentially flat, roughly. If you take a look at the broader market right now, you can see that the best performing index was the Nasdaq, which went up 0.2%. The S&P was flat, and the Dow Jones and the Russell 2000 ended up in negative territory. The VIX went up by about 0.1 to end up at 15.11, and light crude oil carried on up to about an increase of 32 cents, mainly due to the shortfall in supplies which I highlighted yesterday. This is the chart for the Dow Jones. You can see it's dropping, but it came back up a little bit during the day. The S&P 500 is showing a similar pattern. The Nasdaq started off the day lower, but closed slightly higher. The Russell 2000 started off the day lower and ended up lower. The VIX came up a little bit. Light crude oil has burst above the 200-day moving average resistance, which is now support. Looking at the sectors, we can see that the worst performing sectors were the industrial sector, followed by the consumer staples and utilities, whereas the best performing sectors were materials, followed by energy and consumer discretionary. This is a bullish sign. It is therefore my opinion that the market will still carry on up again today. With that, I end this analysis. Thank you very much.